Hey, what's up everybody? I wanted to hop on here and do a quick video review of the Haaray solar-powered motion light. And full disclosure, I'm a little bit of an idiot because I let this sit on my desk probably for about a week, week and a half, because I didn't really want to have to run a whole bunch of wire to hook this up and install it on the side of the house. And yeah, it never occurred to me that this is solar. You don't actually have to run any wires to it. So this is going to be a really, really quick install. Let's do an unboxing. I'll show you what's in the box, and I'll give my honest thoughts on it. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how much light it actually ends up throwing out at night once I do get the thing installed. All right, once we get everything unpacked here out of the box, we actually have the unit itself with the light. We have a remote control to, you can actually control this via a remote. You actually have some of the mounting screws if you're for wherever you're going to mount this. It's really only a 2-screw installation. And then you have this little extender bar, which is actually what mounts to the house. You can see there you've got the 2 screws there that the screws are going to go through. And this little clip here does clip into the unit itself. And then you also get instructions. All right, so when it comes to the actual unit here, you've actually got the 3 LED panels, which they do actually pivot, and you can adjust them for however whatever the direction you want to throw the light. I'm going to actually go with a fairly wide, so I'm going to leave it here. You're kind of at about a 45. And then this is actually the motion sensor is on the bottom, and then you've got the solar panel. When it comes out, it just kind of pivots there into place so that you can catch the sun. And then on the back of the unit, you've got the little clip here, which essentially it's the inverse of this little extension unit. And then that essentially is just going to slide on and click. But you want to make sure that you slide on and then click this after you have this mounted to wherever you're going to mount it to, because it's going to be really hard to get a screwdriver behind that, once it's all connected. And then as you can see here on the on here, you'll also be able to loosen the thumb screw, and then you'll get, you can point it up and down as well. So this is you should, no matter where you mount this, be able to get light to where you want it to go. So let's go and install this outside, and then I'll show you how real simple it is. All right, so I don't quite have a filming rig to get up that high where I'm going to mount this up here on the side of my garage. So I light up this whole area here at night. Sometimes we have our trash cans here, and there's just some various other stuff. So we're going to mount it right up there. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'll show you down here. Essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up on the house itself, and I'm going to use this as a template to drill small pilot holes using a 16th inch bit, and then the screws should go right in real easy, and then I'll just be able, again, just to drop the light on top of this. Now, when you're putting this in, make sure the open side is facing up, or you're gonna have to re-put it on again. So let me get this on. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, so now once that's mounted there, all it's done is to just basically press the unit on top here. So I'm actually gonna put my phone down, and I'm gonna get it on there. I'll show you what it looks like. And there we have it. It's up there. It clicked right in, and now that it's solar powered, I can actually use the remote here and turn it on. Although the remote needs batteries, but there is actually on the back of the light itself, there is a mode switch, so that you can actually turn it on. So there's a little button. I don't know if I can get it on camera, but it's right in the back there. You hit it. It probably has to charge up because it just came out of the box. But this now is going to charge from the sun all day, and we will. I'll come back at night and let you know what it looks like. All right, so we're here at night, and I'm actually just walking around the side of the house, and there it is. It just popped on, and as you can see, it kind of lights up this whole area, and it also lights up a really good piece of the yard too. So it's a really simple to install, doesn't take up really any electricity, and it's a really good light. I would recommend it.